Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to scale a 3D object in FreeCAD. So here I have a very simple bracket, and we will scale it with the help of a draft workbench. So here my draft workbench is active. Click on the body and click on the clone option. So here you can see that a clone is created. Now let's rename is body 02, and our first one is a body 01. So here we have created a clone. To view the clone, click on the transform tool and drag it to the distance. You can also change the distance from here. Let's I wanted to place it as a 140 mm, or let's put it to the close, let's say 120, and say OK. So now we have the clone, and now we will create two variant of this part. For example, if you wanted to 3D print the first object, then you can select the first one and go to the export and select the STL format. And if you wanted to create one more variation of this model, let's say of the 1.5 scale, then you do not have a need to create a same model at the 1.5 scale. You can do with a clone. So click on the clone, and here is a scale option. So I want 1.5 times, so I will give the value x 1.5 times. So you can see that x1 is modified, but we will give the x, y and z at the same. So you can see that this clone is a 1.5 times of the original one, and you can export it as a STL format. From here select the STL format, and this is the format we require for the 3D printing. So here, with the help of a scale feature, we can create a different variation. For example, if I want 2 times of scale of the original one, then again go to the click on the clone and rename it. Let's say it is my version 3rd, so I will give it 03, and I will click on the transform tool and move it, and let's say I want it as a 2 times, so I will go here and I will give my scale x2, y2 and z2. So here we have the 3 variation of part. One is a 1:1 scale, second one is a 1.5, and third one is a 2 times. And you can export all 3 bodies as a separate STL file for the 3D printing. So that is a very convenient to print the different variation of a model. If you are going to made with a 3D printer, then you can easily export as a STL and make your part. So this is all about this tutorial, how to scale a 3D object in a FreeCAD with the help of a draft workbench. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.